a shark biting game. So let's start with the name called Scary Shark Shark Biting Game. So this will be the name of the game. So let's start with the backdrop. So just go to the backdrop and put underwater. So you can take any of these two. So just take this one. So this will be at the backdrop, and let's put a sprite called shark. So type shark, go to search and type shark. This shark. This is a shark. So this will be a shark. So we have to give some code for it, right? So let's go. When clicked, show set size 200 and go to controls forever and controls again. If hexagon, then go to operators and greater than 50 distance to mouse pointer. Go to sensing and go to distance to mouse pointer and go to motion, point towards mouse pointer, move 10 steps. So that will be our code. So let's go again. Let's search and type fish. So this will be a red fish, and let's put another fish also, which is called yellow fish. So go to costumes, not this one over here. Looks pretty. So, and we have to put a toxic fish also, right? So just go to search and type non-toxic fish. This fish. So this will be toxic fish. This one. So you've separated the three. So let's give it the code for the yellow fish. So for the first code is when clicked, for go to controls forever, turn, move 5 steps, if on edge, bounce. So this one over here, go to operators and pick random, this one, and -15 to 15 degrees. So this will be our code. So it will be the same code as the yellow fish. So for the red fish, it will be 20 steps. This will be faster, and the yellow fish, it will be 5 steps. So for the red fish, 20 steps, and yellow fish, 5 steps. That's it. And for the toxic fish, let's go to so let's type over here toxic fish. And let's decrease the size also to 50. This will also be 50, and this will also be 50, and this will also be 50. Ooh, looks big. Set size to 50. So now got it. So this will be a steps. So let's go to the toxic fish and let's put the same steps as the fish. So this will not be 5 steps. Let's put maximum as 10 steps. So go to the yellow fish and type the code as when clicked. Make a new variable called score. So this will be the scoreboard for this one, and set score to 0 and show. You have to show it. And go to controls forever. If touching shark to this is the name of the shark. So touching mouse pointer, then change score. Go to variables, change score by 1, and broadcast fish eaten. This should be at the top. So this will be fish eaten. And hide. Hide. Wait 2 seconds. It's not 1 second. It is 2 seconds. So go to motion, go to X, and type -200, and go to operators, pick random by -180 to 180, and show it. So that will be a code. Let's copy it. So if this will also be 1 point, because it's a little difficult to take it right. So let's check it out. So I have to put more fish, right? So let's duplicate it. Just right click, and we need 4 fish for this. And for the red fish also. So we have 3 fish. We need 3 fish for this one. So let's go to the toxic fish, and it's the same code as this. So there are many changes also for this. So go to variables and make lives. So change lives by 0, and change score by -1, and hide wait for 2 seconds, and touching shock 2, and when the broadcast shark is poisoned. So this will be a code. Okay. So go to the shark. So this is the first code, right? So this is the first code. So set lives to, oh no, wait a second. So just go to events and take when flag clicked and go to variables, set lives by 2 5 forever. Go to controls forever if operators equal to 50, so it's not 50, it's 0, and lives. So we have made a lives square, so lives equal to 0, and broadcast game. So let's leave this now for a while, and let's come back to this. So I have to put some points, right? So let's go to the yellow fish. We have already put the yellow fish now, so let's try it out. So it's just eating, it's not opening its mouth, right? So for that reason, let's go to the shark and go to events and put when I receive fish eaten, switch sorry switch costume to 2B. Wait 0.3 seconds. So 0.3 seconds. And switch costume. So good luck. Switch costume by shark to A and say yum. Yum for 2 seconds. So when so the shark should be poisoned, right? This fish should be poisoned. So let's check it out. So it will open its mouth and it will bite the fish. So likewise, so let's go to shark and when I receive shark is poisoned, switch costume. So it looks switch costume. Shark 2C and go to controls. Wait 0.3 seconds. 0.3 seconds and switch costume. Go to looks and switch man by 2 8. After the shark is poisoned, it will be energetic, right? Like that. So say, oh, I've been poisoned. For 2 seconds. So this much, and so we have to go to the backdrops anyways, and we have to put this time left variable first. So go to variables and type time left. So this will be a time left score. So when clicked, set score, set score to 0, set time left by 30, repeat. So repeat until hexagon. So go to operators and equal to 50. So time left, wait for 1 second and change time left by -1 and stop all. So go to controls and stop all like this. Okay, so we have to put also for the crab, right? Crab is a seafood. I like seafood. So just put crab, this crab over here. So this will be a crab, so just switch to 50. My design is like putting, so this will be blue and also blue over here, and the hands should be red, black, and this one also over here it should be black. And this one over here, for the legs let's put black, this one black, black, and this will be black. So this will be a shark, a crab. So set what is there in the, so just copy it down. So this will be a code. So move like this. So we don't need to put a score for this particular, change score by 0 and move by 0.5 steps like this. So it'll move like this. So you have to put a U1 image, right? So let's go to upload sprite, and this one over here. So this will be our U1 image. So you have to put a separate code for this, right? So when I receive U1, show and play sound like this one. We can upload a sound, this one, U1 sound effect, and let's delete all these. So let's delete it, and even this one. So this will be a code and play sound U1 for your sound effect, and when clicked hide. Good looks and hide. So we need game over also, right? So go upload sprite and game over image, right? So this one over here. So this will be a game over. So when I receive game over, show. Don't put any specific sound for that. If you want, go to sounds and put play sound until done. So now we put like this. Game over, and when clicked hide. So this will be a, so even for this when I receive game over show, so that will also be the same code. So this is a code. So when click broadcast fish eat, so this will be a lives equal to 0. So thank you for listening. Today I'm going to show you how to run how the game runs like this. So when lives is over, it'll come game over.